welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is another episode of Cooking Show. Yeah, so as you can see on the title, no bake Oreo cake ang ating gagawin ngayon. So this is very easy. You don't need to have oven para makagawa ng Oreo cake na gagawin natin today. So, first of all, of course, before we cook, we will wear our apron. Okay, we are all set. So let's begin our no-bake Oreo cake. Here's our ingredient. First, we have Oreo Original, Angel Creme Densada with Wi-Fi, Nestle All-Purpose Cream without purpose, and cake flour. So let's begin. First, you need to open the Oreo, of course. Next, you need to separate the filling and the cookie. Ang sarap ng filling mo. Okay? So after you separate the filling and the cookie, you need to crush the cookie and voila! Magic! Next, you need to add the cake flour to the mixture. And then you mix the dry ingredients. Mix, mix, mix! After mixing the dry ingredients, you need to add the Angel Creme Densada with Wi-Fi. And then, mix it again. Mix, mix, mix. So after mixing the creme densada, you add the fortified milk. Not 44, not 46, but fortified. So again, you need to mix it well. So since we don't have the electric hand mixer, we'll just use the literal hand mixer. So it's already glossy, char glossy. And then you add the filling of our Oreo. Yeah. So again, you mix it well. Mix, mix, mix. So now we have our pan kung saan natin lulutuin or i-steam yung ating Oreo cake. So you need to put foil para sa base. Make sure that you put oil or butter on the side para hindi siya dumikit. After that, just pour the mixture. Pour, pour, pour. So make sure that tilukin mo yung chocolate para walang masayang. Kasi mahal ang bilihin ngayon. Tilok-tilukin mo. So after mong matilok yung ating mixture, we will now put sa ating steamer.
2,000 years later.
Voila! And that's our finished product. So yan, as you can see. So of course, we'll put decorations sa ating cake para mas maganda siya tingnan. And here's our finished product! Done with our no-bake Oreo cake. So, taste test. So, ang atong tigtilaw si Ate Armen or Ate Bibi. Hope sarapan siya, no? So, laban lang. Bread knife. Pang-hati.
Ay, ayaw.
Si konti lang. I'm nervous. Ikaw mauna. Ladies' choice.
Sir, moist.
Moist. Speechless mo ka. Ano nangyari?
Sarap.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Wala yung sibuyas na or onion or garlic ha?
Yung panisay. Sakto lang naman.
Sakto lang lahat?
Tapos yung basta yung ito. Good. If I will rate from 1 to 0,
Please.
0 to 10.
After 10.
0.
Ilan? Magkano?
10.
Yay! So 10 daw. So baka nagsisinungaling siya. So of course, tikman natin.
Pwede kayong benta.
Benta.
50 pesos. First slice.
Tikman ko muna ha. Kasi hindi ko tinikman. May tinikman. Uy, char. Masarap siya. Especially sa milk. Tapos may mga nips. Well, this is a good idea for gift for your mothers this coming Mother's Day. So gawin nyo to sa bahay at iregalo nyo to sa inyong mga mothers this coming Mother's Day. So again, I hope you learned something from this episode of our cooking show. Thank you so much for keep on watching and pagsubaybay sa mga videos ko. So till next time, see you on my next vlog. Basta don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for update ka sa mga future uploads ko. Bye everyone!
Wait. Magluto kayo ng maaga para 24 hours. Para maabot ko.
Para umabot?
Para umabot sa Mother's Day, ha?